right, Team A. Grab the shovel and start clearing that brush by the entrance.
Okay, boss.
I'll take the pickaxe and check the stairs. Pull those vines, be careful with the metal. Clear the base of the stairs next. Watch your step on the ground. Mind the loose railing. Got it! Watch that window! Move the ladder over here. Keep it steady. Watch out for the sharp edges. Heavy stuff here. Mind your step.
Keep those sparks flying. We need more material.
Watch your step on the ladders.
Grinders working on all levels.
All right, bring it down. Easy now, hold it steady. Secure the corner. Lower it slowly now, watch the left side. Okay, hold it right there. Securing the beam. Push it tighter to the left. Okay, hold it there while I fasten this side.
Is that the right gauge for the main drop?
Yeah, feed it up slowly.
Watch out for the crossbeam on level 2. Lift that side higher.
Okay, hold it steady there.
Watch the clearance on the left panel. Hold it steady right there.
All right, I'm securing the top screw now.
All right, keep it coming straight.
Watch the gap on the left. Okay, tilt it back now. Ready? And set it down.
Okay, slide it back gently. Keep it straight.
Easy on the right side, make sure the gap is tight. Is that the last of the tiling done?
Yeah, just finalizing the range hood adjustment.
Okay, let's get these tools packed up and move out.
Does that line up?
Yeah. Okay.
Hold it steady. I'm putting the bolt in now. Okay, bringing up the next beam. Watch the clearance. Got it.
Line it up right here. All right, here it comes. Watch your fingers down there.
Got it. Looks like it lines up perfectly with the mezzanine.
Ready? And down slowly. Easy now. Steady.